Are you unsure about the difference between CV joints and CV axles? We explain it all here. If you're shopping for replacement parts for your Subaru's drivetrain, you might come across CV axles and CV joints. Many people confuse them because every CV axle contains CV joints, but they are not the same part. A CV joint is a flexible coupling that allows your car's wheels to move while maintaining a steady power transfer from the engine. Subarus have 2 CV joints per axle. The inner CV joint connects the axle to the transmission. The outer CV joint connects the axle to the wheel hub. These joints allow for smooth rotation at different angles. A CV axle is the entire assembly that includes both CV joints and the axle shaft that connects them. In simple terms, the CV axle is the complete part that transfers power from your Subaru's transmission to the wheels. If you're hearing clicking or popping noises while turning, feeling vibrations, or noticing grease leaks from a torn CV boot, you likely have a CV joint problem. Whether you replace just the joint or the whole axle depends on the age and mileage of your Subaru and the wear and tear on the axles. In many cases, if a CV joint is worn out, some mechanics recommend replacing the entire CV axle. Subaru Parts Plus offers OEM CV axles and CV joints to ensure a perfect fit for your vehicle. Click on the link below for more details.